So I should be like master horticulturist. I'm bringing to you today, master chef, like I have prepared for you today. Yeah, okay. So anyway, this is Chionanthus, retusus, Tokyo Tower, Chinese French tree, the native plant to Japan, China, Korea. Gets about 10 feet wide and about 30 to 40 feet tall. This will get 30 to 40 feet tall, but it's not going to get wider than like 8 feet possibly. I mean, you look at this, it's, I don't know, close to a 3-inch caliper plant, and it's probably about 4 feet wide right now. So great spot, great tree for small spaces. Hopefully you can see the flowers. They are very delicate, and they call them fringe because I guess they look like fringes. I don't know, what's a fringe look like? Doing this on a Sunday morning, figuring the road noise wouldn't be bad. Wrong. So this tree is really fantastic in that it's a narrow tree. It's got incredible cinnamon bark. So even in the winter, it has a real interest. Fall color's yellow. For a small ornamental tree, this is one that really deserves more merit. No real issues like insects, diseases. And it blooms for about a week and a half. People are going to say, well, a deer like it? No, they will rub. So you might have to wrap the trunk. They might rub it, but they don't really eat it. Of course, there's somebody in East Iowa somewhere saying, oh, I planted one and it ate it. Yeah, so sorry, there's always an exception. So at any rate, Chionanthus retusus Tokyo Tower. If you wonder why you don't see trees like this more often, sometimes they're difficult to propagate. Sometimes they're difficult to grow. Sometimes they take longer to grow. So the grower has to charge more, the consumer has to pay more, and there's resistance, understandably, but a lot of really good trees get left out because, you know, it doesn't meet the standard ornamental tree pricing, whatever that is. Great tree, Tokyo Tower, fringe tree, cousin of the American Chionanthus virginicus, which is native to United States, and really a great tree. You might want to consider trying to find a spot in your landscape for it.